Boom, Team JQ. All right. This is how to take an open house if you're a new agent. First, you need to identify the top lister in your market center and see if you can have one of their listings for the weekend. Hopefully you get this on a Monday because there's a lot of things to do. So let's go in to what action items I do Monday through Friday. So my action items, Monday, identify the location and the surrounding comparables. Say it's a 3-bedroom, 2-house. Is it a 3-bedroom, 2-house, 3-bedroom, 2-bath house with a basement? Or is it a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house that's just a condo or a townhome? All those make a difference. So go through, find the surrounding comparables and execute. What I mean by execute, do CMAs on the houses around it that have listed and sold. Next, verify HOA rules and regulations. Why do I say that? Well, HOAs can get, let's just say, become a pain in the butt. And if they become a pain in the butt, then they won't allow you to place signs, etc. Well, the next step is to do a sign route. So you need to know the HOA rules and regulations before you do a sign route. And those are the activities that you would do on a Monday. Tuesday, remember all those comps I told you to look up? Go tour them. Go tour them. Also, post your open house in MLS. Then add a rider sign that says open house Saturday and Sunday. Now, around this area, Sunday is your better day. So if you want to maximize your time, execute one on Sunday. Also on Tuesday, do a video. I'm talking a YouTube video like this and a Facebook video to go live, go live, go live, go live, go live. And then upload it. Upload it all to YouTube, all to Facebook, all to Instagram, and even LinkedIn if you're part of LinkedIn. Wednesday, get social, i.e. run Facebook ads, run IG ads, run YouTube ads. Get that social momentum going for this house. Also, contact 15 people. Contact 15 people. Create brochures, contact people. That is your Wednesday plan of execution. Now, Thursday, you're going to contact 15 more people, check Bright, and see if any more listings popped up. Then execute another IG reel and video, also Facebook, connect it to Facebook, link it all, and then link it to YouTube and get that going. Friday, go through, contact 15 more people, door knock around the neighborhood to generate even more interest. Follow up on social media. You're going to have leads. Follow up on them. See if they're coming. See if they're interested. Do a social media post. Then set up 8 to 10 signs. 8 to 10 signs. You put up one sign in the front yard, you're killing yourself. You're not doing it right. You need 8 to 10 signs out there. Finally, Saturday and Sunday, open house day. Boom, time to shine. Make sure, one, you got clean clothes on, doesn't smell, doesn't have dog hair, etc. on it. Seriously, I've walked in and seen this. Show up early, at least a half an hour. Walk through and check for surprises. You never know what the previous agents that are walking through and touring possibly had issues. Just check the house. Sweep the sidewalk and entryway. Set up your sign and station, right? COVID rules, etc. Just in case there was a person that had it, have that ready. Turn on all the lights. Turn on all the lights, basement included. Also, have your business cards, your flyers, and your statistical printouts ready. People want to know the area. People want to know the statistics. People want to know that you are the knowledge broker for this area. That's your Saturday. Sunday, rinse and repeat. Monday, follow up, follow up, follow up. Follow up on everyone who came through. Tuesday, same thing. Wednesday, same thing. Follow up. Pick a day to follow up on all open house potentials. Mine, it's Wednesday. Wednesday, I take my book out, I look at all the names, and I just start calling. And that is how I execute my open houses. So get out there, have fun. This is Team JQ. I'm out.